Alright, so I'm having a breakfast. It's just a standard, no sugar shredded wheat. What's different? Oh, I'm going to also be placing, and these were frozen persimmons that I got from Nancy. And I'm going to be able to place this on the top. And I'm also going to probably put a couple kumquats. But what's important this year, and what we're doing a product review on, is this Planet Oat Oat Milk.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living!
This is original. They have other flavors if you like flavors. And it comes here, read this. It doesn't have any dairy, peanuts, gluten, soy, lactose, tree nuts, artificial flavor, artificial color, artificial preservatives. And in this huge container there are 6 servings, and 1 cup equals 90 calories, which is, there's no trans fat, no cholesterol, 120 milligrams of sodium, 1 gram carbohydrate, 4 sugars, 2 proteins. Not so bad. Okay, and what it does is, I'm trying to show you where it says that. There it is. It has vitamin A and vitamin D, and I know, I looked it up, it has vitamin B12. So right here, if you take a look at the ingredient panel, it has oat milk, filtered water, calcium carbonate, a bunch of preservatives, sea salt, gelatin gum, vitamin A, vitamin D2, and vitamin B12. For the people who are worried about their B12, this is one way to handle it. That being said, this is not the same as almond milk. And it's very similar to me to rice milk. Not one of my favorite milks. It doesn't work in coffee. It's just too liquidy. It doesn't have the body of like almond milk, but it is the same price. This costs pretty close to $3.20 at Stater Brothers, and I'm happy I tried it, and I will show you how to make this yourself like I've done with the almond milk, but I don't think it's worth buying. It's not that wonderful that you should run to the store and buy this right away. Okay? It does say here, great by the glass. Well, I wasn't impressed. It says start your day with a heavy breakfast, hearty breakfast, fantastic for foaming. Maybe it does foam. It might be something I could probably, I'm going to be making some soup today, and maybe I can use it that way. Where it all begins, I guess these are the little oat things here. So, it's non-GMO. Maybe it's something to think about from that point of view. But, oh, and they say they have different flavors. But does it work? Will it work on your cereal? If you're used to almond milk, don't buy this product. Okay, so we're just going to finish it up. And I put a generous amount. This was frozen from last year. I cultivated it. Oh, that's probably way more than I need. And then I'm going to eat it. Thank you very much for joining me on this breakfast review. I love persimmon. And we look forward to seeing you soon in our next video. Have a good day.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.